With just less than a day for the Las Vegas race weekend to kickstart, I could think of nothing but one thing. That is, could we have a new winner this race? Well, is it possible, you may ask, and I think so. From the papayas at least. When the press asked Lando about his and McLaren's chances of a race win this year, he told that Las Vegas might logically be the last opportunity for the team to seize a win for themselves this season. With McLaren's strong pace in the second half of the season, I too think that Las Vegas might be the best and the last track that could favor their car. I'm sure with McLaren's current trajectory with their car's concept and with all the upgrades that they brought to their car seeming to work as intended, I think McLaren might be the threat to Red Bull for the championships in the coming years. But this year, with the car that they have, this track should ideally be the one to make them a winner. With the track temperatures expected to be low, teams that have a car that has a natural characteristic to heat up the tires quickly is gonna shine. With three teams from the top, Red Bull, Ferrari and McLaren, Ferrari seems to have the car to do it the quickest, followed by McLaren and then Red Bull. Among these three, McLaren has the second best pace overall under race trim after Red Bull. So combining these two factors, it does seem like McLaren is in a prime spot to maybe secure themselves a race win, and the name of only the third constructor to win a race this season. Though I have high hopes for the team and Lando to come out victorious at Vegas, as McLaren is inching closer and closer to the Red Bulls in the recent Grand Prix. Both McLaren and Lando find themselves to be in the dark as to where they would fit in the performance pecking order due to the unpredictability of the track. The McLaren's MCL60 is known to be closer to the Red Bulls in the high-speed corners since the major upgrade, and the only place where they lack pace is in the low-speed corners. But the Vegas track consists of very minimal high-speed corners, and it consists of a handful low-speed corners. But I believe that McLaren could still pull this off, especially after seeing their performance at Sao Paulo, which consists of mostly low to medium speed corners. Las Vegas could turn out to be a great weekend for McLaren if they could break their winless streak. Even in a worst case scenario, I expect McLaren to finish in the top 5 with both cars. Lando is hungry for that race win as it's been a long time due for him. And what better place to do it than Vegas? Especially in a season of Red Bull and Max Verstappen dominance, he would be one among only two drivers to win a race this year other than Max. So there are a lot of expectations and unpredictability surrounding the Las Vegas Grand Prix, and let's wait and see how it all pans out in the end. Let's hope for the best as I root for Lando and McLaren to pull off a wonder to secure their first Grand Prix win since Monza 2021. So yes guys, that would be it for this video, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments on your thoughts about Lando's chances of winning here at Vegas. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also hit that bell icon and turn on all notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. It's me, your boy Urban Caste Vinesh, and I'm out. Love you guys. Stay safe. Peace.